Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use an AI agent inside of Google Antigravity to update your website or your application. So if you guys are looking at the screen here, you guys can see I'm in my lessons detail page of my dashboard. Here's the code, and then here's my agent on the right. Pretty much what this page does is it holds details for my lessons inside of Agentic University, which teaches people how to use AI tools like Google Antigravity, like Lovable, and like a lot of other tools out there, Claude Code. Specifically today, what I want to do with it is I want to add a little bit more detail around Claude Code. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to tell the chat, the AI agent, what I want to do. So let me type that out quickly. Okay guys, so I typed out a super simple prompt here. Mostly typed it because my microphone is hooked up to me recording this right now, so it wouldn't accept my voice. But what it says is, please add context for Claude Code in the lessons details page. So we add more quiz questions and answers for Claude Code. If we need any more information, search the internet. So we're gonna send that off right now. Let's give it a minute to generate and we'll come back to the results. So as you can see from the chat, it said that it already analyzed our file and it's looking up our Superbase database. That is where the data is stored for these lessons, for these quizzes, and for the answers. So I'm glad that it went straight to the Superbase to find what we're looking for. So it's looking in our database files now. You can see here the lesson context is in migrations and database, and it's looking in the database now for my quizzes and my answers, and it's going to hopefully add Claude to that. So we can also see here that it added some tasks for itself. So this is what the agent is working on right now. So it's adding context for Claude Code in the lessons details, identify the location of Claude Code lessons context, research Claude Code and gather more context around it, draft new lesson content and quizzes, update the lesson content, add new quiz questions, and verify the changes. So that is what the agent is actively working right now while I sit here and talk to you guys. It's incredible. Okay, so the agent just finished running and it's asking me for some input. So let's regroup here for a second. You can see over here, this is what the agent did. So it created a implementation plan from the task plan. So I showed you guys the task before, what I was trying to do. Now this is the implementation plan to get those features into our project. So as a goal, add a new lesson mastering Claude Code to the platform and provide context on Anthropic's new AI CLI tool. All right, user review required. This is important for me to actually know what I'm changing inside of the project, right? So I may need to run a Superbase reset or Superbase migration up to apply these changes. Now I have that figured out because I actually publish my database from Lovable, so I already know what this is talking about. So propose changes to the database and then verification of the plan. So what it's going to ask me to do now is implement that plan, and I'm going to press that now. And that's how easy it is to make big adjustments to your websites, to your software, no matter what it is, using these agents to come up with tasks for them and to come up with an implementation plan to get it into your projects. If you guys want to learn more about AI agents and getting this into your projects or getting this into your workflow, comment Antigravity below and I'll send you over my prompt to get you guys started using Antigravity.